I'm recording a quick video to help show what's going on here and just to what to look out for. So there is a section on the product page that says you want a 2A USB adapter, not a 1A. I don't know what the A is referring to, maybe amps, I'm not totally sure. So I have here a power strip with 2 USB on it. Then I have the iPhone power brick, and then I have this extra guy here. It says it's, let's see here, somewhere on there it says it's over 2 amps. So I would think that this would qualify as a 2A, but anyway, here's what happens here. So I plug it in. Here's the cable for it. I plug it in, and this lights up. And while it's lit, the power works fine. And it's really nice. It's a good light. So that's all fine and dandy. I set it down, and we just take a little bit of time here, about 15 seconds probably. And then you saw it just turned off. Now, you hear it clicking. I'm pressing it. Nothing. So, if we go to the iPhone, see it turned on the iPhone power brick, the blue light's turning on. That's great. Light works fine. And now, that blue light will never turn off now. So whatever the iPhone uses is the correct power brick. The other ones don't work. So I'll let it run here about as long as I let the other one run, and it'll show that it's not going to turn off. So yeah, that'll stay running for a while, but I mean, as far as I know, it'll stay running all day, which seems like what you'd want. You'd want to always be able to turn it on and off. So I think at this point I've let it run longer than the other one, and it's not turning off, and it'll go for hours. So the iPhone standard charging brick does work fine for this. But if you have a power strip with a USB in it, there's really no telling. We wait here, it will shut off. And there's really, in my opinion, see it just turned off and now the light will not work. So, in my opinion, it's really hard to tell which adapter is going to work and which one's not, because I don't exactly know what 1A and 2A means. I would assume that this black one surpasses a 2A. Because yeah, I just put it in the same one. Let's see if we can really see here. Output, it looks like it puts out 3A maybe. I don't know what 1A and 2A means, but I just want to show you guys what the problem was here, and just to be wary, make sure if you're having the same problem I am, then you just make sure you have the right charge brick. And other than that, it's a really nice light.
Oh. My love, this. Yeah. Whoa, that's really bright, Mamas. That's a cool tone. Sort of a warm light. Warm, cool again.
It's pretty sturdy. It definitely has some weight to it, so it's not flimsy, at least not from what I'm feeling. So this is very standard, like what you would get in most of the ring lights. Nothing special. It comes with the USB extension that you have to like plug into one of the little portable like outlet heads or whatever. The stand has weight. Like this isn't light, so if you use this, I promise you it's not gonna move. So I forgot to say that it also comes with instructions. This is really disappointing because I have used this once, and the first day that I decided to use it, the light just turned off. But when the light turned off, this light on the remote was still on, despite the fact that I had unplugged it. So I felt like, okay, it's glitching, but why don't I just leave it and maybe try plugging it back in? So I gave it a few days, decided to plug it back in today, and this is what's going on.
This is stand here. You can move it around if you want it this way. You can use this too. Tighten it. Nice feature that it has, you can have lower lighting, higher lighting. You can switch the lights. This is like daylight. Yeah, it's really cool if you're doing videos often. I use it a lot. This one you can move it around. You can take this one off if you don't like it. I like the bottom part. It's very heavy duty, sturdy. It's not gonna move easily, even though it's moving a little bit right now because I have to tighten a little bit, but it does the job. So it's a good product.
All right, I have this little tabletop ring light and camera holder to work on here. I actually connected it here to a hand warmer as a battery source, just to have a battery source, because it doesn't really come with a battery. So thought it'd be good to have a test battery source. Looks like my test battery might be dead at the moment. At any rate, you can get the basic idea here. So it's a ring light up here. Put your camera up here. It's another camera holder here. These are all adjustable, and it has your power plugs in down here. Well, there we go. Now I got light. And there we go. So the light, there's different depths of light, and you can turn it up and down, brighter, dimmer, and whatnot. Okay, that's about it. Nice little setup. Cheers.
got 3 shades. Adjust the brightness. This ring light, you can adjust its direction, and that goes together with this phone holder. And there's a second one here. This one is much adjustable. You can adjust the length of this rod, and you can turn around this in 360 degree. And this rod also, you can adjust the height. And these rods are so steady.
I got this ring for my videos and it's pretty cool, to be honest. It has different lightning. Lights can get more lighter, it can get more dimmer, it could change the color, and it's pretty flexible in all parts. For example, you can stick your phone in here, also in here, so it has pretty different options to try, and you can adjust the lights from here. So it's pretty cool thing, and also it has 1 year warranty. So in case if you got any problem with it, then you can just, you know, call the company and they will sort of assist you in any conditions.
I really don't recommend this ring light stand. I bought this to do content creation and just to do videos. It is so flimsy and not stable, and this plastic keeps breaking off whenever I'm trying to use it. I don't even use the light anymore because you have to plug it in, and I don't always have a plug near me. I had to get an external light for that, but I just use it as a stand, and it's extremely flimsy. I do not recommend this at all. It was a complete waste of money.
You can like show me rolling it once I have like the last one. So then I know I have like the sizes together.